Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to reveal the first project that was published in our channel. These are the modules, and the first one is Arduino Nano. Okay, I'll keep this aside. And the second one is SIM 900M module. We know that this module is used to communicate, and this is the antenna. We can fix this antenna here. Okay, we can tighten the screw. Later we will discuss about this module. Okay, I will keep these modules aside. And in this box we have a Arduino Nano cable. Okay, I'll keep this aside, and a connecting wires. Okay, and this is a relay module. We can use this for multiple connecting appliances. Later we will see in the next video. Thank you.